Hey, what is up guys? John here at TEMU. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the SoundPEATS Space wireless headset. Alright, before we get started, I just want to let you know SoundPEATS did send these out to me to try out, so big shout out to them for doing that. It's very, very much appreciated. But as always, this is an independent review. They had no part in the making of this video. So in this video, we're going to unbox these. We're going to see what we get inside the box. We're going to check out some of the features and specs. And more importantly, we're going to see how they fit and sound. And I'll let you know what I think of them. So this is the box they come in. We've got a picture of the headset front and center. We've got SoundPEATS logo up on the top left. And we've got the model here. These are called the Space. And on the side here, we've got some specs. We've got 40mm dynamic drivers, hybrid active noise cancellation, and 123 hours of playtime. We'll have to see about that. On the back here, we've got more SoundPEATS branding. We've got Space wireless headset. These have Bluetooth 5.3. These got a maximum working distance of 10 meters, so about 30 feet. Again, playtime 123 hours. And we've got a 1,000 milliamp battery on these. On this side, we've got SoundPEATS motto, hear your imagination. So let's open these up and see what we get inside. All right, that looks so clean, guys. So front and center, we've got the headset. We've got some SoundPEATS branding on the sides. Very, very nice packaging, by the way. Take all this out. We'll take a look at these later. Yeah, very nice packaging, guys. So let's see what we get in here. So inside the box, you got your headset. You've got your user manual, quick startup guide, your charging cable, USB-A to USB-C, and your headset cables. All right, let's get back to the headset. These are looking good, guys. So we've got a hard matte plastic. Again, we've got the SoundPEATS logo on the side. We've got a foam leather feeling up here up top. It's made out of hard plastic. This has like it's a cloth texture. Very nice. These look super premium, guys. And we've got inside the cups, we've got left and right, so you know which side they're for. And then we've got active noise cancellation button right there, charging port, and here's the port for the headset cables. And you got your volume rocker, and I'm assuming this is the power button. Feel very lightweight, feel very nice. I really like that. I really appreciate the details like that, the left and right. Just makes it look more premium. All right, guys, man, these feel super nice in hand. I like that. It's aluminum in there. Yeah, let's try these on. Let me adjust them for my big dome. All right, let's try these on. So these are over ear design. And they feel good. They're lightweight. That is how they look. Yo, these feel good. Now let's see if they got some power. Power on, we've got power. Let's connect it to the iPhone real quick. Pairing, I heard that. Here we go, we've got SoundPEATS Space. Bam, we're connected. About 50% volume. Ooh, the ANC is on. That's really good. I can't hear my fan over there. Very nice. All right, let's see what we got here real quick. Yo, the ANC is really nice on these. Man, I can't hear my fan over there. Everything's nice and quiet. All right, let's open up YouTube Music real quick. All right, guys, so we're gonna listen to some Pac real quick. If you guys know the song, it's got a sick beat. Yo, these sound good, guys. It's got nice bass, but not overwhelming. It's just enough to you hear that thump. Vocals are super clear. Yo, I like these. I wish there was a way for me to let you guys hear this because it sounds super good, guys. Yo, I haven't had a pair of headsets like this in a while because I've been using wireless earbuds. I miss how immersive headphones are because it blocks everything out. It's just the music that you hear, especially because these have ANC. It sounds so good. It sounds so good, guys. Wow. Okay. Okay. These are sick. They sound so good. So right now you can pick these up on Amazon or on SoundPEATS website. They're right at around 55 bucks. It's a definite pickup if you're looking for a pair of headsets. Let's just go over the specs real quick once again. So we've got Bluetooth 5.3. You've got 40mm dynamic drivers. Again, we've got 123 hours of battery life. I'll have to test that out. I want to see how long these last. And we've got Type-C charging. And guys, there is a low latency game mode. And I appreciate that because I do like to play games. And having that low latency setting is definitely nice. And also this headset, you can use SoundPEATS app to adjust your EQ settings, which is super nice. And again, for 55 bucks, that is a lot of features, guys. All right, guys, so some final thoughts. For under 60 bucks, you get so many features that you would normally see on a pair of headset that is twice the price of these. If you guys are looking for a headset, definitely check these out. Again, for under 60 bucks, you get so many nice features that you normally would see on something twice the price. So for me, these are a pickup. All right, guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. And again, I'll put a link in the description in case you wanna check these out. As always, I'm John at TEMU. See you in the next one.